Hi guys, welcome back to Do It with Diana. So today we are going to be doing another BoxyCharm unboxing, and this one is for the November box. So this month's box theme is actually BoxyCharm Stellar. So it does come with these cute little stars and this cute pastel color, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already went ahead and took a look at what was in the box this month so that I could see how I'm gonna be doing my makeup. But first, I want to say that BoxyCharm actually increased their prices to $25 because they are trying to include more foundation and as well concealer. And they went ahead and sent this little package so that you can test which concealer shade you are, and then you go online and you go ahead and fill out the little quiz that they provide. But yeah, so they're starting to expand pretty much with foundations and concealers, and so they're sending this over. And then the first thing that we are actually going to try is the Juice Beauty Stellar Anti-Wrinkle Treatment, and it retails for $50. This was actually part of BoxyCharm Choice, which means you go ahead and get to pick one of the products that that they provide. It's one of the two. So as you can see, it's this little tube, and I'm going to do this before I start doing my actual makeup, do the eyes, and then I'm going to prime my face and then the rest of the makeup. So like it comes with this cute little dome shape. Let's see. Well, I dropped the cap. Do I shake it? What does it say? It says, gently press and dispense the product and massage the applicator around the entire eye, starting on the inner corner, and pat excess with fingertips until absorbed. Use morning and evening after using their cleansing oil. Okay, but I don't have their cleansing oil, so we are gonna... Okay, so now it's coming out. It looks kind of funky, and as you guys can see, I have a little bit of dark circles, like a little bit. So this is the eye treatment, and it feels really refreshing. It says to use it around the eye. I kind of slobbered it all over my eye, as you guys can see. Like I said, this does retail for $50, and I'm just gonna start using it. It's very hard to put an opinion on like eye treatments and face masks right away, just because usually with those types of products, they improve your face over time. It's not just like a one-time thing and then you're like all set. So I put the rest all over my face. Okay, so that was the first product, and it does feel really refreshing. It doesn't have a smell to it at all. I don't know, it doesn't smell like anything. So that was the first one. The second one is actually the ILLUMINATI Cosmetic Sponge, and it comes in this package. I already wet it and made it all fluffy and big, and it actually retails for $21, which honestly for a beauty sponge, I think that's a little bit ridiculous, just because I buy the $5 ones from Target that come in a 2-pack, or like the $10 ones that come in a 2-pack. And that's pretty much my beauty sponge. But this one's $21, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. First, I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm gonna use this to go ahead and apply my foundation. Okay, so I prime my face, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it on here. And then, as to not make this video a million times or a million minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward this. That way you guys can actually see, and I'll show you the coverage later as I bounce this all along my face. Alright, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and did my whole face off camera. I went ahead and applied my blush, my eyebrows, my contour that I don't really know how to contour, but it kind of looks like it did. So my contour, I set my face, I set my eyes, I went ahead and primed my eyes as well. Because the next product that is actually in the box for BoxyCharm this month is the DOMINQUE Cosmetic Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette, and it comes in a little baggie like this, and it's black. I'm gonna open it up, and the protective little thingy is right here, and as you can see, it's very shimmery shades. As you guys already know, if you guys have watched my videos, these bright shades right here are the ones that I usually don't gravitate towards, just because I just don't like them to be that bright on my eyes. And practically I don't know how to like really work them into my eyes to make them look good, so I feel like I just need to practice with that a little bit more, and then maybe I'll feel more confident with them. But this actually retails for $35, and from what I've seen on BoxyCharm's Instagram page is that this palette is exclusive to Charmers. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a quick eye look for this. It's not gonna be anything crazy. It's just gonna be something simple and easy and like day-to-day type of look, okay? And then I'll go ahead and come back so that we can go ahead and finish with the last two products that are in here. Okay, so I went ahead and finished this kind of smoky eye. I went ahead and used the shades Lunar Eclipse, which is this orange one right here, and as well this one that's Zero Gravity, and I mixed them together to go ahead and create this kind of ombre type look. And then I went ahead and added a little bit of Fireball right here to add a little shimmer, and then towards the end right here I went ahead and used this one, which is called Eternal Light. So I hope you guys like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with my eyeliner and mascara, and then I will go ahead and come back for the last two products. So now that I went ahead and did my eye makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the second to the last product, which is the Joseph Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this one retails for $18, and it looks like the color on here is Date Night. It might be a little bit too bright, but what I like to do before I put this on, I like to just swatch it to see if it goes with my skin tone. But as you can see, it is a very bright red color. Ooh, and it's very pigmented right here, as you can see, and it is matte, so I'm going to try and use a little bit of it so that it doesn't make me look like super bright. Any lip gloss or lipstick that I like to use, I always like to put chapstick on before. And then, ooh, I'm kind of terrified to try this, to be honest with you guys. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just putting like little swatches on here, and it looks like my lips are falling apart, but they're not. And then since I have that chapstick underneath, I feel like it makes it easier for me to just go like this to my lips, and makes it easier for the lipstick to blend itself. Okay. So let me go ahead and see. And I got a little bit above my Cupid's bow, but it's okay. Okay, so as you guys probably already know, I am not a professional when it comes to makeup, but I do like to test new things out and new products out. Surprisingly, this doesn't look that bad, but I might just like take it off a little bit. But it's a cute color, probably not for me personally. It is a very bright red lip, but it doesn't look that bad compared to like with the eye look and stuff. I feel like it all meshes really easily together. And then the last product that is in the BoxyCharm for this month is actually the Milk Makeup Holographic Stick, and it retails for $28, and it comes in this holographic packaging, and it comes in the color Supernova. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I opened it, and it comes in a little packet, and I don't know if it's like all of them, but mine came out cracked. I don't know if you guys can see that crack right there. I mean, it's a stick, it's not gonna fall apart, but I went ahead and opened it. I put it in like this, and part of me feels like I should use this very carefully. And here I go, putting it all over my cheek. Probably not the best thing to, okay, hold on. I don't want to just like, you know what I mean? I want to try and, okay, let me warm it up on my hand. Oh, and on my hand it looks really, really nice. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. Okay, let me try it on the base of my hand, actually. That way you guys can see that on here. Okay. But you see it has this like really nice tint to it, and it's very purpley. I feel like I'm just, okay, see, and it kind of came out right here. All right, and then I am actually gonna go ahead and get my highlighter brush, and I'll put a little bit right here on my nose. All right, so as you guys can see, it is very nice. I have to figure out how to work this because I feel like putting it on my face like a beauty blender isn't the way to do it. Let me go ahead and get a brush and just like, what's that called? Blend it out. I'm gonna blend it out real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and got my brush, and this isn't a normal highlighting brush. This is just the brush that I like to use. And as you guys can see, it kind of stuck to my face. Okay, see, there it goes. Alright. I like the formula for this. However, it's a little too crayon-y, like chalk-y. Maybe mine's just like a bad batch. But, okay. Alright, so this is the finished look. And for this month, we did, well, I went ahead and got 5 products. And I don't know if you guys knew, but they went ahead and did BoxyCharm Premium. I wasn't able to get on the list for the premium box, but I mean, they're like, if you don't get it this month, you might get it next month. So we'll see. Maybe next month you guys will have 3 BoxyCharm videos with the regular BoxyCharm. Or no, actually 2. So it would be Boxy Luxe and then Boxy Premium. So I'll go ahead and film those 2 videos once that goes ahead and arrive. And then as well, let me go ahead and let you guys know the total price for this. For my version, I got version 22. And so let me go ahead and add this up. And I believe they said that now it's going to be over $150. So let's go ahead and do the math calculations for that. And for all of that, it is a total of $152. So it is over the $150 that they went ahead and mentioned. But yeah, this is the final look. I usually like to pin my hair back. It just depends. But this is the final look for this box for November's BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Feel free to share it with your friends or don't share it with your friends. And then for my last video, no one actually commented on it. But if you guys do, go ahead and comment down below and subscribe and hit that little notification bell. I'm going to go ahead and give you a shout out in my next video. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful long weekend. It is Veterans Day weekend, and thank you to all that have served in our military and armed forces. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of the year. Bye!